Health benefits of olive oil. For centuries, people have incorporated olive oil into their diets as a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, olive oil is known for its numerous health benefits. Heart health. Replacing saturated fats with olive oil can support heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help regulate cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The polyphenolic compounds in olive oil can lower bad LDL cholesterol and improve blood vessel health. Antioxidant properties. Olive oil contains phenolic compounds with antioxidant properties. These compounds combat free radicals, reduce cell damage, and prevent oxidative stress, which can slow down the aging process and prevent certain diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil helps reduce inflammation in the body. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, known for its anti-inflammatory effects. This can lower the risk of chronic inflammatory diseases and relieve inflammatory conditions. Digestive health. Olive oil supports the digestive system by boosting digestive enzyme production, regulating bowel movements, and reducing the risk of constipation. It also stimulates bile secretion, aiding in smoother digestion. Reduce cancer risk. A diet rich in olive oil may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Its antioxidant properties may inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in olive oil may provide protective effects, especially for breast and gastrointestinal cancers. Brain health. Olive oil can support brain health. The polyphenolic compounds in olive oil may reduce oxidative stress in the brain and protect cognitive functions, improving memory, focus, and thinking skills. Benefits of olive oil for skin. Moisturizing effect. Olive oil deeply hydrates the skin, alleviating dryness. Its natural fatty acids and vitamin E strengthen the skin's moisture barrier and prevent water loss, leaving skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. Antioxidant protection. With its strong antioxidant content, olive oil reduces oxidative stress caused by free radicals, slowing down the skin's aging process. Squalene, a unique antioxidant in olive oil, adds significant antioxidant value. Anti-aging effect. Olive oil may reduce fine lines and wrinkles, preventing signs of aging and helping skin maintain a youthful, vibrant appearance. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil can soothe skin inflammation. Oleic acid, an anti-inflammatory component, helps with skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and dermatitis. Wound healing. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil support wound healing by reducing inflammation, preventing infection, and promoting faster skin recovery. It can also reduce the appearance of scars and help rejuvenate skin tissue. Acne control. Olive oil-based soaps can help eliminate acne-causing bacteria, clearing or preventing acne while providing hydration without causing dryness. Protection against sun damage. The high vitamin E content in olive oil helps the skin resist sunburn and sun damage, potentially protecting it from harmful UV rays that could lead to skin cancer. Benefits of olive oil for hair. Olive oil is essential in hair care for nourishing and hydrating hair. To use, massage olive oil into the scalp, wrap hair in a towel, and leave for 30 minutes before washing with a suitable shampoo. This process can be done a few times weekly. Key benefits include protection against hair damage and breakage, moisturizing and softening hair, supporting hair growth, adding shine, strengthening hair strands, repairing split ends, reducing dandruff. Individual hair types may respond differently to olive oil. For example, its effect on dry, damaged, or frizzy hair may differ from its effect on fine, oily, or thin hair. Is olive oil harmful to skin? While commonly used in skincare, olive oil should be used with care on oily or sensitive skin. Overuse or products with added ingredients may clog pores or cause allergic reactions. How does olive oil spoil? Olive oil can spoil if exposed to excessive heat or prolonged air exposure. Poor quality olives or unripe, damaged olives used in production may also accelerate spoilage. Does olive oil help with weight loss? Olive oil, rich in unsaturated fatty acids, promotes feelings of fullness and helps control appetite. Monounsaturated fats may boost metabolism and encourage fat burning, aiding weight loss efforts. Olive oil is a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. To integrate olive oil into your diet effectively, consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more health insights.